imagine a foldable that resolves all of our issues. That's what the Galaxy Z Fold 8 promises. A few months ago, Samsung startled everyone with the Galaxy Z Fold 7, a significant advancement for its flagship foldable, and the market was enthralled. The Z Fold 8 now has some enormous shoes to fill, and early rumors indicate that it might surpass all expectations. The battery life and charging speed of the Fold 7 were two of the main complaints, and Samsung didn't exactly address these issues with the previous model. However, reports about the Fold 8 portray a totally different image. According to echo chamber sources, Samsung is rethinking its interior architecture and making better use of every square inch of space. This allows for a larger battery and quicker charging without adding bulk to the phone. These rumors suggest 45W wired fast charging, which is about twice as fast as the Fold 7's 25W pace, even though no official figures have been made public. The 4,400 mAh battery that Samsung's Fold series has been using for years needs to be upgraded. According to some, the Fold 8 might include a powerful 5,000 mAh battery. Samsung has demonstrated its ability to perform engineering feats. Its first trifold, the Galaxy Z Trifold, is barely 3.9 mm at its thinnest and has a 5,600 mAh battery with 45-watt charging. This could be a game changer, so fingers crossed. Samsung appears prepared to significantly accelerate the foldable race. With Apple edging closer to releasing its first foldable iPhone, 2026 is expected to be the year the corporation works harder than ever. According to a recent Bell report that Juanos Rev shared on X, Samsung plans to sell 6.7 million foldables in the upcoming year. That is an increase of almost 10% over its 2025 lineup. The Galaxy Z Flip 8 is receiving the majority of Samsung's attention, and insiders predict significant improvements. With a more sophisticated form factor and a thinner, lighter design, the phone is anticipated to launch in the middle of 2026 and might help Samsung maintain its lead before Apple joins the market.